In this video, you'll learn how to create email automations in beehiiv. With beehiiv, you can automatically enroll your subscribers into automations based on specific triggers. For example, you can automatically send every new subscriber a welcome email after they sign up. Or you can automatically send paid subscribers access to your private Discord server after they upgrade. And the automations work seamlessly with all of beehiiv's other features, meaning you can even trigger automations when a subscriber answers a poll question, reaches a specific referral count, submits a survey, or even when they enter or exit a segment. Let's get straight into it. To get started, log into your beehiiv account and go to Audience and Automations. From here, click on Create your first automation. Now, if you've already created an automation before, click on the Create Automation button instead. From here, you'll be redirected to the Automations library. Here, you can create a new automation from scratch, create or choose from one of your own templates, or choose from one of our many quick start templates. Now, in this example, we'll be creating a blank automation from scratch, so we'll hit New Automation under Recently Used. From here, you'll be redirected to the workflow builder and prompted to select a trigger. A trigger is the specific action that starts your automation, like when someone subscribes to your publication or upgrades to a paid subscription. Only subscribers who take this specific action or trigger will enter the automation. Here, we'll select the signed up trigger, which essentially means anyone who has subscribed to my publication will enter this automation. Now that I've selected the signed up trigger, I can add conditions to narrow down which subscribers get enrolled into the automation even further. For example, I can add a condition so that only subscribers with a specific tier or subscribers from a specific acquisition source get enrolled instead of every single subscriber who signs up. And just to note, adding a condition is not mandatory and it's completely optional. Now, if a subscriber does not meet these conditions, they will not proceed to the next step and will instead exit the automation. Now, after you've added a trigger, you can now add an action. An action is what will happen once the trigger occurs. So in our example, this is what is going to happen after someone signs up to my publication. For example, I can send every new subscriber an email, or I can do something like add a time delay, which will basically add a specified pause before the next action happens. So in this example, I'll add a time delay and set it to 1 day. Now I'll add another action step that will send new subscribers an email. Now I'm going to customize the send email step and click on create email. Here I can start from a blank draft, choose from one of my existing templates, or choose from one of the quick start templates. Here I'll use a quick start template. Now in the post editor, I'll see 3 different tabs: Write, Details, and Style. In the Write tab, you'll see the actual content of the email you'll be sending to your subscribers. In the Details tab, you'll see the email sending details, including the subject line, preview text, and author. And lastly, in the Style tab, you can change the design of the email you're writing, including changing the colors, fonts, padding, and more. And now once you're done creating the email, click on Save in the top right corner. Now, once you're completely done creating your automation and creating all the steps, you can click on the pencil icon at the top center of your screen, and here you'll be able to edit the name and description of your automation. This is the information that you'll see in the automations page. And additionally, you can set the re-entry settings. This setting determines if subscribers can re-enter an automation, or essentially if they can enter an automation more than once. Just make sure to select the right option in the drop-down menu. Once you're done, click Save. Now in the top right corner of your screen, you can click on Publish to make your automation live. Additionally, you can click on the 3 dots next to the Publish button to save the current automation as a template that you can reuse later, duplicate the automation, or delete it. Now once you click Publish, your automation will now become live and subscribers will start entering the automation once they hit the trigger event. Now to see the overall performance of an automation, you can click on Overview in the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll be able to see the journey and performance of the automation. At the very top of the page, you'll see the open rate, click-through rate, and upgrade rate of the automation emails. And you'll see the number of subscribers who have completed the automation completely and the number of subscribers who are still progressing through the steps in the automation. Below this, you can even see a quick view of all the subscribers who have entered the automation, what step they're on, when they entered, and their open and click-through rate. Now in the Performance tab of the Overview page, you can view how specific emails in your automation are performing. This is helpful if you've created more than one email in your automation. Now, once you exit the automation, it'll now appear in the list of automations, and you can click on the three dots next to it to view the automation overview page again, or click on Edit Workflow if you want to change anything in the automation at any time. Now, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to check out the other automation tutorials on our YouTube channel.